Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Python Programming on Mobile Phone Programming series. So this is the second video in this programming series. In the first video, we have seen how to install decoder application on our mobile phones, and even we have written our first Hello World Python program. So in this class, we will discuss more about decoder application, and after that, we will discuss more about the print function that we have used in our first video. Okay, so if you haven't checked out my first video, please go back to the first video and please watch that video and then come back here. And let's jump on to decoder application. So you can see here I have divided this screen into two parts. On the left side, I will be typing the code, and at the right side, we can see the output. Okay, so let me open the program, and you can see the program, right? This is the first program that we have written in our first class. So if we run this program after clicking on this play button, okay, so we can see, let's close this ad, and we can see the output here in the right side. Okay, so currently the font size is very small. Okay, let's increase that. So how can we increase the font size in decoder application? Just click on this arrow mark and it will take you to the home page. Okay, so after going to the home page, click on this hamburger menu, I mean the three lines, and here in the settings. So here in the settings, we have this editor font size. Okay, so you can increase the font size. I will make it 18 here. So I hope that will be more than enough for now. Okay, so let's open this file. I think the font size is better now. And one more thing, if you see here, right, there is a little lock icon here, which means this particular program is private. That means nobody else can see this program except yourself. Okay, so let's make it public. Okay, if you want, or you can share with your friends if you want. Okay, so I will make this file public so that everybody else, I mean, can access this program. Okay, not only this program, the even the future programs that we are going to write in this programming series. Okay, so as I said, there are many options here. Okay, so like renaming the file, save as, and even we can save this file locally on our mobile phone as well. You can explore all these options if you want. And in case if you want to share this program with your friends, you can simply click on this share and it will open up WhatsApp, Telegram, and if you have any other options that will also be displayed here. Okay, so let's go back to this three dots again and make this public. Okay, and I will give a project name here. Okay, maybe learn Python on phone. Okay, I hope this is an op title. And here we have to give some description. So let's give this a description here and some tags. I will make it Python. Okay, so that should be enough. Let's click on OK. Enter the tag and click OK here. Okay, it's asking for enter the tags again. I don't know. I have given the tags here. Python. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, perfect. So hello.py is in the review now. Okay, so once it is reviewed, it will be public. Okay, so once it is public, I will share this project details with everyone else. Okay, so that everybody can look at these programs that we are writing in this programming series. Okay, now coming to the main part. Okay, so that is the print function here. So you can see print and hello world. When you run this program, okay, when you run this program on the screen, you will be able to see hello world, how it is working. So in Python programming, if you want to display anything on the screen, okay, if you want to display anything as a on the screen, we use print function. Okay, so print is a function which is used to display something on the screen. Okay, it's not only about this is like a hello world, it's like a normal English sentence, right? It's not only about the textual data. Let's say even you if you have some numerical data as well. So if you want to display that data, you can display that as well. Okay, let's do that, like something like print maybe 30. Okay, so that will also be displayed. Let me run this program. For running it, you have to close the terminal first by like clicking this cross button, and after that you can simply click on this play button. After clicking on it, you will get to see the output here in the bottom. See, now we have hello world and 30. Okay, so that's about the print function. And if you want to display more than one value under a single print function, you can do that as well. Something like this. Let's say something like you want my name, I will display here, and comma. Okay, if you're more than one value to display on the screen, okay, we can simply separate that using comma. Okay, I will give my name and maybe a country that I'm living in, like maybe India. And after that, if you have more data, right, we can simply give it comma, and then we can give the data that we want here. Okay, so maybe let me use some number here. Okay, if you run this program now, it will display everything. So since this is a free account, we have to bear with these ads, guys. So let's close this ad. Now you can see the output here. See, hello world 30, and the third print statement is has displayed three values here. Okay, so that's about this print function, guys. Okay, so once again, why do we use print function in Python? So for displaying something on the screen, we use a print function. Okay, print function can handle raw data as in the textual data, and even it can handle some numerical values as well. It's not only simple numerical values, even we can do some mathematical operations as well within the print function. Let me show that as well quickly. Okay, more on this one we can discuss in the maybe in the future classes. Let's say something like 70 plus 30 plus 70, you want to know the answer, you will get that. See, we got the 100 here, right? So it's not only about addition, even you can do division, multiplication. You can try that out. Okay, so please try that out, and if you have any questions or doubts, please ask me in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you. That's it for today's class, guys, and I will meet you in the next video with another programming concept, and we will be learning Python programming on mobile phone and using decoder application, which is completely free. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.